Hello, this is a very bootleg setup, however, it still works. This is how we're gonna do, forget perspective the normal way. So, first off, to begin, read off the colors in this way. The color that's closest to you, like literally just blue thing that's pointing towards you, then below it, which is red. Then we go in counterclockwise order like this, so green, magenta, and yellow. Green, magenta, yellow. And then you can figure out what the last one is, because all of these colors will be present. The one that's not present, which is orange, must be the one behind. So, now we're going to find the rule. The number of minutes from this stage is divided by 6. Basically, every time you generate a new stage, which is when you solve a module, look at how many minutes are left on the timer. And you're going to use this. Since this stage was generated on 60 minutes left, or 1 hour exactly, this means that the first rule is going to apply. So we're going to take phase 1. Phase 1 is blue, so we're going to use the blue net. So now, with this, we're going to try to reorder the characters. To begin, if you're looking at phase 1 or 6, which is this one, or the one in the behind, the cell directly above 1, which in like this is 5, 4, 5, directly above 1, is going to be on the magenta thing. So like here magenta is going to be 5. Magenta is going to be 5 and blue is going to be 1, because blue 1 goes there. Go up once, magenta is there. If you were on, let's say, the yellow one, you would not say yellow is 1 and magenta is 4. If you look at the yellow net, you would say blue is 4, because if you're on 2, 3, 4, 5, the first face, which is this one that's facing towards me, will be the top face, which means yellow is going to be 1 and blue is going to be 4 if you were to follow the yellow net. If you were to follow the magenta net in this scenario, 1 will be magenta and 2 would be blue. You see how that makes sense? For orange, since it's behind, we're going to look up at magenta, which means orange is going to be 1, magenta is going to be 3, and blue is going to be 5. One last example, green, 1 is green, 5 is blue. If you don't get that, you should probably do easier modules. It's a little bit weird, but it makes sense. So, blue thing, directly to the right of magenta, we have 3, which is green, so green is 3. Up from magenta is orange, so orange is 4. Up again from that is red, so red is 6. And if you were to go left, yellow would be 2. Then you're going to read these in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 order, which is going to be blue, yellow, green, orange, magenta, red. This is our reordered sequence. Now we're going to find our shift, take the amount of ports times batteries, which is 1, find that rule in character shift, add x, x is ports plus serial number letters, 1 port plus 1, 2, 3, 5 letters, or 4 letters, is going to give us a shift of 5. Take this in here, shift it 5 forwards, because that's our shift, it was plus 5. Why do I have 2 character manuals open? I don't know. Then we're going to find the rule down here. 3 vowels in sequence? No. Last letter of a vowel? No. 2 consecutive vowels? No. There's at least 3 consecutive vowels in the sequence. Yes, however, this rule does not apply if all of them are consonants. Okay. All the letters are consonants? Yep. Use the 5th letter, which is Romeo. First letter for the stage is Romeo. Now I'm going to solve a module. We solved it at 56, so our number is 56. I'm going to write this down so we don't forget. Yellow, blue, green, orange, magenta, green, orange, magenta, yellow, no, red. Then we're going to go up here. 56. It's not divisible by 6. It's not prime. It's not a perfect square. At least I don't think so. No. No. Yeah, no, it's not a perfect square. It's less than 10. No. It's even. Yes. We're going to use phase 5. Phase 5 is magenta. So, we're going to say magenta is 1. Because that's just the rule. The colored face that you have is going to always be 1. So we got phase 5. Phase 5 is magenta. Therefore, it must be magenta as 1. Then we're going to apply this net. Yellow is going to be 2. Because yellow is our top face. Then we go directly over here to green. It's going to be 4. Then we're going to go to the left, which means orange is going to be 3. red is gonna be 6, and this is gonna be 5. Then we get magenta, yellow, orange, green, blue, red. Take this and shift it forwards. No, we're not gonna add an extra cipher. We're gonna get this. Then, funny thing, since there's no vowels, all of these will never apply. It will always be this. It will always be this thing that applies. So we will always have to get our 5th letter. This can sometimes change if you have like 1 or 2 vowels. However, if you have 3 vowels, which is the best unicorn you can get, it'll always be the first letter. There's only one case where there's 3 vowels. Every other one has below 3. All of them are constants. There's around 4 shifts, I think, that have this. And everything else is a mix between this. Alarm, shut the absolute up. So now, we're going to always grab our 5th letter, which in this case is a G. Now we're going to install another module. We are at 53 minutes. No, that's 54. Let me not write down the wrong number and give myself a strike. Yellow, orange, green, red, blue. Green, red, blue, magenta. Then we're going to go here. Is 53 prime? I don't know. Let's see. Is 53 prime? Oh my god, it is. That is so cool. Let me actually just get... Let me get this up. Because I'm going to have to look here. There you go. Perfection. Then we're going to go in here. It is prime. We're going to get phase 2. Phase 2 is orange. We're going to get orange. So orange is going to be 1. Then we're going to get 1 for the top face, which means... Yellow is going to be 3. Red is going to be 5. Then we're going to have blue is going to be 2. Magenta is 4. And green is 6. Yep. Orange, blue, yellow, magenta, red, green. Put you in here. Caesar cipher you. Grab the 5th letter. Right, 5th letter. Yep, 5th letter. That's whiskey. Put down whiskey. Delete all of this. Now we're doing it 52 minutes. Green, orange. Yellow, blue, red. Yellow, blue, red. Magenta. Go in here. 52. Is it divisible by 6? It is not. Wait. I had 56 minutes or 54 minutes. If I had 54 minutes, I royally fucked up. We're gonna find out at that time at submission. That's gonna be a fun time. It's not prime, not a perfect square, not less than 10. It is even. We're gonna use phase 5. Phase 5 is gonna be red. So red is gonna be 1. Then we're gonna make this our top face. So green is gonna be 4. Orange is gonna be 2. Yellow is going to be 6. And then blue is going to be 3. And magenta is going to be 5. Red, orange, blue, green, magenta, yellow. Go in here. Character shift this. Get the 5th letter. That's a Romeo. Solving it at 51. Is 51 prime? 51 is not prime. It's not divisible by 6. It's not prime, not a perfect square, not less than 10. It's not even. So we're going to use phase 6. Yellow, orange, green, blue, magenta, green, blue, magenta. Red. We're going to use red. Since it's the last one, we're going to use blue as our top face. So yeah, we're going to use red as 1. Blue is going to be 4. Magenta is going to be 2. Yellow is going to be 6. Green is going to be 3. And then 5 is going to be orange. Yep. Throwing that red, magenta, green, blue, orange, yellow. Get in here. Then we're going to get a Tango. Now I'm gonna wait for it to pass to 49. 49 minutes. Green, orange, yellow, magenta, blue, blue, red. 49 is 49 prime. 49 is not prime. It's not divisible by 6. 48 is divisible by 6 though. It's not a perfect square. Wait, no, it might actually be not 7, 7. It is a perfect square. We're gonna use phase 3. Phase 3 is gonna be yellow. Yellow, where are you? There we go. So that means green is gonna be 4. Orange is gonna be 2. There, we do that. Let's see if we have there. Then we go up. Then we go left. Then blue is gonna be 6. And then magenta is gonna be 5. And we'll go left one more time. Magenta is gonna be 5, and red is gonna be 3. Yellow, orange, red, green, magenta, blue. I'm gonna put this in here. Fifth letter is a Romeo. 48, because I really want to get a 48 scenario. Orange, green, magenta, red, yellow, magenta, red, yellow, blue, I think. Yeah, everything's going fine. Then we're gonna get, it's divisible by 6 because it's 48. 48 mod 6, yep. Phase 1 is gonna be orange and orange. So we're gonna say orange is 1. Then we're gonna say red is 3. And then we're gonna say blue is 5. And then we're gonna say, yep, and then we're gonna say yellow is 2. Magenta is 6. And this is gonna be 4. Yep. Orange, yellow, red, green, blue, magenta. Put you in here. Bum bum. That's gonna have a golf. 47. I really don't. It's actually pretty fun to do it this way. It's very error prone and it's not viable for Twitch plays, but it's actually pretty fun. Magenta, blue, red. Yellow, green, orange. 47 is 47 prime. I believe it is. It most definitely is. We're gonna use phase 2. Phase 2 is gonna be blue. Blue, which means magenta is gonna be 5. Then we're gonna say red is 3. Yellow is 4. And orange is 6. And green is 2. Blue, green, red, yellow, magenta, orange. Romeo. 46. Red, green. MOB. Y. They're going here. 46. It's not divisible by 6. It's not prime. It's not a perfect square. 6 is 36, yeah. It's not less than 10, however it is even. You're going to use phase 5. Then for blue, we're going to use this as our top face, which means red is 5. Magenta is 4. Green is 3. Orange is 2. And yellow is 6. BOGMRY. Whiskey. 45. Last stage. Blue, green. Yellow, orange, magenta. Yellow, orange, magenta, green. Red. 45. It's not divisible by 6. Is it prime? No, it's not, because it's divisible by 5. It's not a perfect square. It's not less than 10. It is not even, so it's face 6. Number users as their top, so orange is 4. And blue is 6. Orange is 4. Then magenta is going to be 2. Then yellow's 3, and this is 5. Red, magenta, yellow, orange, green, blue. Lima. And I'm doing this for 44. Yep, 44. But that's not important, because Romeo... Yeah, that was supposed to be Golf, Whiskey, Romeo, Tango, Romeo, Golf, Romeo, Whiskey, Lima. Oh my god, I actually did it. I did not expect to actually be correct in this. Woo, I did it. Please congratulate me in the comments, guys.